Hello, everyone. Thank you to be here, and it's my pleasure to be here to, represent Realman, talk about embodied AI, especially on real robot data. All right. So the presentation is simple, just about 3 questions. So the first question is, why are we here? Why are we here? Any ideas? I think because we want this guy, this guy, this guy, or at least this poker face, right? Yeah, so this means we want robots working in our real world, in a lot of industries like retail, like catering, healthcare. So that's our common goal, I believe. That's the reason why we are gathering here to have 2 days summit. We discuss a lot, we talk a lot. That's the reason why we are here. Our common goal is this. However, as all of us know, we cannot get it done by one company, one country, or one person. All right? Even large tech giants, they cannot do it alone. So I think that's the most beautiful part for this industry for now is collaboration is domain our efforts, I believe. Talk about the fully intelligent robots that we are expecting. There is a big gap, right? There is a big gap. From my point of view, there are 4 main pillars we need to focus, right? Body, which is hardware, and software algorithms, of course. AI models, computing powers, right? Last but not least, data, because we need tens of data to train the models you make. And then at some point, the robots can be autonomous, all right? So this is called, the foundation for embodied intelligence. As I mentioned, not one company can accomplish this on their own. So from Realman point of view, we work on something, right? Then what is Realman doing right now to contribute for this industry? We're not working on software and algorithms. We're not working on computing power, which is dominated by a big company here in Silicon Valley, right? But we focus equally on 2 pillars. One is the body, the hardware. The other one is data, real robot data. So in terms of hardware, we have ultra lightweight robot arm with high payload capacity so that we can deploy the component robots to the real workplaces, all right? So if you are interested in our hardware, the arm, the component robot, welcome to visit our booth at 513, just on the 2nd floor, right? Regarding data, in this meeting, we have a lot of companies that are dealing with data, right? They need data. They, some of them, they produce data. For us, we focus on real robot data. So we have a specific business unit. It's called Real Source. So this business unit is working on how to produce high quality real robot data for AI model trainings. So last question, in terms of data, there are lots of suppliers, right? There are a lot of types of data, like virtual data, like UMI data, like egocentric data, and real robot data as well. So the 3rd question is, why choose Realman? What I want to tell all of you, we have 3 unique advantages from my point of view. So first one is the quality. I think a lot of people working in AI arena, in software environment, you know that if the quality of the data is not high enough, not at the level you want, then it's gonna be the waste of your time, resources to train the model, right? It's not gonna change anything. So the quality is the first priority of our organization. Second one is comprehensive offerings, because we have a diversified world. Of course, we have a diversified companies, products, applications in this industry as well. So we need comprehensive offerings to meet customers' needs. Last but not least, as a lot of people know that we need millions of data. We need even more. From my point of view, it's in high demand. Even a lot of players in this arena, but not enough yet. So talk about quality. So we have several aspects to ensure we can produce high quality data. The first point is that we have a thorough process, all right, as this page shows. We have multiple checkpoints to make sure the data that we deliver to our customer is at the high level in terms of quality. And this page shows the strict criteria we are following. There are 6 of them. For instance, the first one is hard synchronization, so that we can keep the 3 cameras catch the exact same frame. That's very important. A lot of producers, they cannot do that. Yeah, and some other criteria on this page as well. These are robots that we are using currently to produce the real robot data. As you can see from the right-hand side, the specifications, we got a lot of specifications requirements from our customers. What we found is that our specifications, our configurations can meet all of them, for now at least, or even much higher than their requirements. So this is the basic, this is the foundation to collect the data. So from hardware point of view, we produce those robots by ourselves so that we can make sure we have the best one. Especially, I wanna emphasize this one. This is the latest version we have. So we have, this is called binocular enhanced version, because we have 2 cameras on the head so that it can simulate real humans' 2 eyes vision instead of 1. So currently, as far as I know, all the robots that are producing data just have 1 camera on the head, so it's just a 1-eye view. So talking about comprehensive offerings, as I mentioned earlier, we have deployed 108 sets of robots in this data farm, and we set up like over 10 major scenarios to produce the data. So we can offer a lot of scenarios as you need. I think so. This page shows a lot of scenarios, and I think it should be moving. Yeah. So you can see this is the real video that we captured. Yeah. The second point of comprehensive offering, because our robot can utilize all kinds of accessories like and different methods. The main method we are utilizing is tiny operation, but also we can use exoskeleton, or we can use a lot of grippers, hands as well, so that we, as I mentioned earlier, our customers has very wide range of requirements. So our farm can meet those requirements according to our setup. Last but not least, a lot of AI model companies, they want to customize the data, we can also do that according to this specific process. This is a huge advantage, but I want to emphasize one point. We got a lot of customers, they come to us, say, hey, we want to specialized data. Then we say, hey, can you check our standard data first? I can tell you, at least half of them, they satisfied with our current standard data already. Then they don't ask more because you just want to train your model. Customized data means more expensive, obviously. So if you could, just check the standard data first. Last but not least, we have massive production capacity. As this page shows, we have 60,000 data entries every single day. This is, as far as I know, this is the largest one in the world. Real robot data. Yeah, so why Realman? Simple, high quality, comprehensive offerings, massive production capacity, right? And by taking this opportunity, I have a 1-minute video to give you guys a taste of this data farm we have, one of the largest in the world.
Welcome to the Humanoid Robot Data Training Center. I'm Jenkins, the head of the center. In this training center, we've deployed around 100 humanoid robots and built 10 real-world training environments. Our goal is to generate a continuous stream of data through this training center to fulfill the data needs of large model companies. This will accelerate large model iteration and bring humanoid robots into everyday life earlier. The Humanoid Robot Data Training Center operates like a school for robots. We've divided it into 2 zones. One is the general skill training zone, akin to a 9-year integrated education system. On the other hand, it is the vocational...
These things are not made by AI, by the way. It's in real world.
To develop robots for diverse professions in the future, such as housekeeping robots, supermarket restocking robots, and specialized robots for unique tasks. On my right, you can see a simulated home environment. Here, robots practice delicate tasks like picking up fruits or eggs. These operations require gentleness. Their design of arm length, thickness, and shoulder width mimics human proportions. We want these robots to perform tasks humans do and go where humans go. Behind me, we've recreated a bedroom and balcony scene. The robot here demonstrates flexible operations like folding towels done in the future. Such robots could assist with chores, for example, making beds, folding laundry, or loading clothes into washing machines. Already, clients in California are testing these robots in a hotel settings. To my right is an agricultural harvesting scenario. Similarly, during data collection, factors like tactile feedback, finger joint currents, and visual inputs are critical. We gather vast, diverse data here, later filtering subsets to train specialized models for specific scenarios. That will be enough. Each robot currently generates 100 to 200 data entries daily. The industry is extremely data hungry, demanding large, high-quality data sets to train their models and iterate models rapidly. Since our platform launched on March 28th, we've received many data orders and partnership inquiries. We've already onboarded nearly 10 ecosystem partners, including collaborations with top universities and research institutes in China. Our vision is to deepen these partnerships and drive faster industry advancement. We produce datasets tailored to client needs and universal standards, supplying them directly to our clients, which are the end users, the large model companies. The future of humanoid robots lies in serving every industry and household.
All right, this is my last page with good news. On the left-hand side of this page, I just want to tell you, we are the first company to open source 130 hours video data online. So if you want to take a picture of this page so that you can access through this link, it's on GitHub. I guess we have on Hugging Face as well. And on the right-hand side is our contact information, including myself. So I can tell you one statistics. Within 2 weeks' time of release, we got over 10,000 downloads of those data. So please check it out. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Donny. Appreciate it.
Jessica.
Please check it out. We are getting ready for our next speaker. Sorry, we're not going to have time for questions right now, so we don't run out of time, but you can set aside with Donny, and I'm pretty sure he's going to be happy to talk to you.